Welcome to this lesson on the equations of lines. Today, we are going to master two very important tools in geometry, the slope-intercept form and the point-slope form. These formulas help us describe, graph, and understand straight lines on a coordinate plane. First, let's talk about the slope. Represented by the letter m, the slope tells us how steep a line is and which direction it is going. You will often hear this described as rise over run. It is a simple ratio, how much the line goes up or down, divided by how much it goes to the right. Next is the y-intercept, represented by the letter b. This is simply the point where our line crosses the vertical y-axis. At this exact spot, the x-coordinate is always 0. Think of this as your starting point when you begin to graph a line. Put those two concepts together, and you get the slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. This is the most famous equation in algebra for lines. It is powerful because if you look at the equation, you instantly know the steepness m and the starting point b. Let's see it in action with the equation y equals 2x plus 1. First, we identify that b is 1, so we put a dot at 1 on the y-axis. Next, the slope is 2. That means we rise 2 units up and run 1 unit to the right to find our next point. Connect them, and you have your line. Sometimes you don't know the y-intercept. Instead, you might just know the slope and some random point on the line. In that case, we use the point-slope form. It looks like this: y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Here, x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the specific point you know. Let's try an example. Suppose a line passes through the point 3, 2 and has a slope of -1. We plug these values directly into the formula. To graph it, we start at our known point, 3, 2. Then, using the slope of -1, we go down 1 unit and write 1 unit to draw the line. The great thing about point-slope form is that it can easily become slope-intercept form. Just do a little algebra. Distribute the slope into the parentheses, and then isolate y by moving the constant to the other side. Now you have a clean y equals mx plus b equation. So, when should you use which? Use slope-intercept form when you are given the y-intercept or when you want to graph quickly. Use point-slope form when you are writing an equation from scratch and you only have a point and a slope. It is a great starting block. To wrap up, remember that m is your slope and b is your y-intercept. Master both of these forms, and you will be able to handle any linear equation problem that comes your way. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing those graphs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.